Yo, what's up, team? It's Raphael here. Today is giveaway time. You all know that. So, we had two videos, guys. We had two videos where you can win something. First video was 5 habits of consistently profitable traders plus the weekly outlook. And we have like 520 comments over here. Let's get straight into it. So, what you can win, guys, you can win $100 plus the Genius Trading Masterclass course plus lifetime membership in the inner circle. And if you're already inside of the inner circle, you get $250 plus a one-on-one mentorship call. Okay, so one guy can win this for this video. Let's see what we got. We filter duplicate users to make it fair for everybody. So we have 431 people, unique commenters. Let's pick the winner. I'm doing this one fast because I'm very busy this weekend. So Didier Lacombe, bro, you need to drop me a message to get your prize, all right? And yeah, show me that it's your YouTube account, and then we're gonna fix the rest. I'm gonna send you everything to PayPal and unlock the course for you. And yeah, then you can start with the lessons. So the next video was this one. Already got 17,000 views. So 1,300 comments. Wow, this is amazing. A lot of comments, guys. Thank you so much for your support. Really enjoy it. Really love it. You're the best, guys. So let's see what we got. How many unique commenters we have. We can't get comments anymore because we have exceeded the quota. Please try again. Wow. What's that? Come on. Please. No way. What? Why? I don't want to do this later. Come on, don't fuck me up right now. Got no time for that bullshit, please. Yes, I got it. All right, 824 people. So you can win the same thing that I've told you for the first video, but we have two winners this time, okay? So two of you can win. Wish you all good luck. So let's see what we got. Okay, Remy Stewart. Always in the best videos, only trader that really wants to help people. Man. Bro, drop me a message, Remy, and get your prize, man. Let's get it. Congratulations, man. So let's pick another one. I'm rushing through it because I don't have a lot of time. I'm taking my girl out to dinner tonight and had a family dinner as well with my sister, my niece, and my mom. So yeah, Khalid Sabri, bro, drop me a message, man. Congratulations, man. You got it. You got it. And for all of you who are not inside of the inner circle yet, guys, I'm uploading an update, so the put everything together part is in the making. One video is still uploading. And then I'm gonna add one bonus lecture from one of my best students. He developed a trading system where he literally needs like, let's say, like 20 or 30 minutes per day, and that's it. It is based on one indicator that he's using, and yeah, I'm gonna put this inside of the course as well. And the next couple of days, I think Tuesday or Wednesday, and then this course I think is the best one in the whole industry. And yes, you should really check it out, guys, and join our team. Connect to all the traders from around the world, to all the traders. They all helping each other. And yeah, there's no reason why you should not join our team. If you want to become a consistently profitable trader, you should, yeah, you should join. Guys, that's it. I need to take my girl out to dinner, and I hope you all had a great weekend, and I wish you a profitable next week. Let's see. Next week will be busy. I hope that I have some time to find some entries, and yeah, Let's see what we got for the next week. Can you see this? Yeah. Chilling near a lake. It's very nice here. A lot of nature. My hometown. Yeah, guys, that's it. That's it. The winners should drop me a message and um, enjoy your time, guys. Peace out.
Forget what you know.